Hi, it's Lorna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you a pair that I had for now. I think it's about 2 months, but my life has been like so. I've been swamped by a lot of responsibilities this last month, and it was kind of hard for me to keep up. So as you can see, my channel is a bit like there's not much around there. I try to do my best, but it's kind of complicated. Anyway, this pair I wanted to show you for quite a while now, but I never did. So it is, as you know, I work in Dr Martens, if some of you don't know about it. So this is not a pair I've purchased, it's one of my uniform pair. So I didn't wear them a lot, and I will tell you why. They hurt a bit. Now I think it's quite okay, but I'm going to show you what pair I am talking about. It is the Bethan pair. Bethan, I don't know how you say it. I work in France, and in France we say la Bethan. So I will say the Bethan, I don't know. So it looks like this. So this is my box, and it is this pair. It is a Mary Jane platform shoe. So I'm going to show you a bit more closely, like this. So you have here a quad platform. So it is, I don't remember, I think it's 4 centimeters, around 4. Yeah, the usual stall is around 3. I should know this. So this is the Bethan. I think they're lovely. I was waiting for a new Mary Jane platform like this to come in. I really like that there's a little stitch here. So as you can see, they've been worn, so it is what it is now. This is the type of quad platform, so as you can find on the Sinclair Jadon, not Jadon Max, because the Jadon Max is a bit bigger, but this one is not the in-between, because I like to say that the in-between is the big sole. So you have the normal sole, then the big sole, then the quad, and then the platform max. So this is the quad sole, and so as you can see, there's a grip underneath. It's good. The thing that is important for you to know is that it is a smooth leather, so it is one of the toughest leather. So I won't say tough as in it's gonna last long. I don't think that a smooth leather is what is gonna last the longest, because it is really, I think it is really fragile. The thing that it's really smooth when you walk with it is gonna see, it's gonna mark like this, and then it make the leather a bit more sensitive. So you know, if you never put some balsam on it, if you don't put some wax on it, it's gonna cut one day. It is what it is with the smooth leather. I think it is a very fragile type of leather, but it's also the roughest, I would say, the most rough leather to break in. So what I did is that I put a lot of Wonder Balsam. I don't know if I can, because I'm editing on my phone these days, but you can use a Wonder Balsam. It really helped me to break the shoe. I had my shoes were all greasy like for a week, but then it really softened the leather for sure. Why it was hurting me is that it is not a standard fit here. The standard fit is a bit larger there, so you have it on the actual Dr. Martens, like the usual that you see everywhere, not the Pascal. The Pascal boot is a bit thinner, but this is a bit more, if you know about the 1461 mono or plain white stitch. Yeah, they're a bit smaller like this. I would say, yeah, I wouldn't say that it is quite like the 1461 mono, because this one is clearly really thin, but this in between, and I have a large foot there and a small ankle. So it is, I will say it is not for my type of foot. So I should actually not be wearing these. So this is why I'm not wearing this a lot, because it's hurting, because it's not one of the shoes I'm supposed to use. What can I say? Best is to use a shoe that fits your feet, really. This doesn't really fit my feet, but it's quite pretty and I really want them. And I mean, okay, I think this suits me a lot, so I like them a lot. The thing is that as it's not really my type of fit, I prefer not to wear them too much. It's preferable. But for the sizing, I've took a 38, which is my normal size. I don't, as you can see here, I don't close them a lot. I think because then my foot is a bit wide there, but I have a small ankle, so I think if I would have taken 37, so size 4 in UK, it would have been clearly too small, so I accept to take 38, UK size 5. But so yeah, so if this, I don't, it doesn't really bother me that my ankle is a bit loose. I think it's the best is that it's a bit loose there, but it's fine there, you know. Having your toes just hurting really in the front, it's not gonna work, so I'd rather have a bit of space. So I'm staying on the 38 and that's good. I wore a lot of really big socks at first to make them stretch a bit also from the inside. What can I say? And so yeah, I really love them. I'm not sure if I remember the price. I think it's around €200. If I'm correct, I think it would have, yeah, I think it's €209. I should just check and then you can check the price also. Not sure if they are available in the US, but they are in the Europe continent, so on the UK website there must be some Bethan. If they're not sold out yet, I don't know. I hope I'm not too late posting this video now, but yeah, so here you go. So yeah, I would say 1 full month wearing them, perhaps. They've been in my closet for 2 months, I think, and because I'm not wearing them a lot, yeah, maybe 1 month use. They're like this. I don't wear them a lot outside. I wear them when I'm working, so I'm standing up, walking also around the shop, but it's quite clean, because I haven't been wearing them outside. Anyway, so that's it. If you have any question, let me know and I would answer in the comments. One thing I wanted to talk about also is this a beautiful green lipstick. Can we speak about it? It is the number 111. I don't know if you can really see it. If I do it like this, certainly not a YouTuber, I'm sorry. So my sister works in Bethan, so can you see? I'm a bit weird and far. I have a new ring light, so but I think it's quite, I don't know, it makes my space wider. I think it's good. Got it from Amazon if you wonder. So yeah, I really like this. So it's not matte and it's lighter than I thought it would be, but I think it's quite, yeah, it's really comfortable. I think I can wear this outside, so yeah. And about my cheeks, if you want a little update, so I've been pierced in end of August and it's now nearly the 1st of January, 2023. And they're good. I think I have the dimples now when I'm speaking, but this one hasn't been good all the time. Sometimes it decides to not heal. This one is really nice to me, not problem at all, but this one sometimes I don't know, I have a big cheek and a lot of pus coming out and I have to clean it. So now I know how to change it by myself. I know this is not a really good thing to do, but I kind of get the trick now. I have a larger bar, and so I take the ball out and like I just follow it so I don't lose the inside, because it's a bit complicated to find the hole from the inside. So I just follow the line of the hole inside, and I pass the larger bar, and when it has the larger bar, I don't know, it heals really quickly, like in 2 days it's fine, and then I can put back the smaller one and the little, I don't know, little ball, I don't know. Sorry. So yeah, for now they're good. I hope I'm not jinxing it, telling to you guys that it's all fine, and in 2 days it will be back to pus town. So that's it. So yeah, if you have any question, I think I will be back again with some other video, because I did some orders and I'm not working these days, so perhaps I will do more videos, not promising anything, but if so, stay safe and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers!